Create Reels on Facebook. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of TechTube. If you've not yet created your Facebook Reels and don't know how you can create one, then in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can do this. Facebook Reels are short form video content similar to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So in order to create your own Reels, you need to first open up the app of Facebook and you can tap on the plus icon that you see on the top. If you don't see this plus icon, you can also open up your profile section on the top left, tap on the Reels option, and you should have an option of adding or posting a reel. Because I've already posted, I can't see it through this section, but however you should have an option of plus on the top. You can just tap on it and select the Reels option on the bottom. Once you select this, now you can choose videos from your gallery. You can just select any video and the video will be added. Now through this section you can add in audio, text, effects and stickers. So you can tap on individual options and add in audios and other stuff to your reel. Tap on add music and select the music from the library of Facebook. Once you tap on the music will be instantly added. And similarly, if you swipe up, you can get a editing panel from where you can edit or add in different things to your reel of Facebook. So as you can see, there are some options right here. You can take a look at this and tap on done on the top right. When you're done, you can just tap on next, and lastly you can give a caption and add in hashtags so that you can increase the reach of your reels. And lastly, make sure that this option is selected to public. Otherwise, not everyone would be able to view the reel that you posted. Now you can just tap on share reel and your reel will be successfully posted within a couple of seconds. To view all of the reels that you posted, you'll need to head over to your profile section on the top left, tap on the reels option, and this is the section where you can view all of the previous reels that you posted. So that's all it takes to create reels on Facebook. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.